Hi guys, welcome back to Ndongo's channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell your friends and your family to watch. Thank you.
Welcome back, my loves, to yet another client transformational video. And on today's I'm working on my good friend Maren. I started off by doing her eyebrows. Obviously, as I can say, I've used the Davis number 18 pencil, and then I went ahead and just blended the product out using a spoolie brush. After that, now I went ahead and concealed, and I'm gonna use these two shades, L.A Girl Pro Concealer, that's in the shade Toffee, and Maybelline Concealer in the shade number 60. And what I did is started with the lighter shade from inside her brow, at the brow bone area, and then that front part I used the number 60 concealer, a shade that is close to her skin tone, and I also use it on her upper part of her brows. And then next I just blended out all the products to make it look seamless, and then went ahead to do the other brow off camera, and then now I'm just prepping her eyelids for eyeshadow, and I went in with a warm honey shade, L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade warm honey, because it's a little bit brighter than Toffee. And then I just blended the product on her eyelids using a fluffy blending brush. I was going for, when I started doing the makeup, in my mind I knew I was gonna do a bronze look, a makeup look, yeah, using these shades from the Masquerade mini from Juvias place. And then I don't know, somehow I saw that orange on the palette, and I just changed up the look, and went ahead and just incorporated that orange, and it just brightened up the look. I thought the bronze look would make her look a bit dull, so I just went ahead and just added the orange. So I'm just blending out those colors that I pointed out together with the orange, and then I went ahead with the shimmer shade on her eyelid. That's I don't know the names of these eyeshadows from that palette, but that's the one I showed you that was a bit the golden one, but the dark gold one, what am I saying, yeah, that one. And then blended the edges out with a brown shade, and I also used an orange to blend out. And then I went ahead and added on some eyeliner, and you can see I'm going for a dramatic type of eyeliner because she has such good eyes. Like this liner wouldn't go well with every eye shape, but she has the perfect eye shape for this type of eyeliner, so I decided to do that kind of eyeliner. And guys, you can see how beautiful the eyes look. Like, I love how this eyeliner made her eyes look, just added some depth and dramatic to the look. And then I went ahead and put on some lashes on her. She is not a lashes person. This was actually her first or second time for putting on lashes, so I did put on some really natural lashes on her. And then I went ahead now to do her skin, and I went in with a Maybelline Face Studio Hydrating Primer and just massaged that primer on her face. And you can see how beautiful her skin is. Honestly guys, at this point, by the way, all my friends have very beautiful skin. By the way, I think I'm the only one with a problematic skin. Yeah, most of my friends have very beautiful skin. So then I went ahead and added on that bronzer stick from Makeup Academy on her highest point to add a little glow on her face. And then I took the Revlon Colostay foundation that's in the shade Expresso, and yeah, I wasn't recording that bit, I don't know, I just happened to be, I just posed on the camera. It's so burnt by that, guys. But I just blended out using a brush first, and then I blended the foundation on her face using the beauty blender, and it was done. And then now I'm using these two shades of concealers, the ones I'd used earlier on her eyes, to highlight her highest points of her face. My god, I keep struggling with, there's too many H's I have to pronounce, and I keep mispronouncing them. So I'm just blending out the concealers on her face using a damp beauty blender, the same one I used for blending out the eyeshadow. And then I went in with Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm sorry I didn't show you that on camera. So I just did that to set her the places that I had highlighted, and I'm using a dry beauty blender to do that. And then I took the L.A Girl Pro Face HD definition powder, and that's in the shade Cocoa, which is her shade, and I went ahead to use it as my contour shade for her cheekbones and her jawline. And you can see how she's doing because she has such beautiful high cheekbones, and I just loved it. So there was no even need of telling her to like pop out or fake a smile so that we can reach the, what are they called, the cheekbones, because they're so pronounced. And then I took the Maybelline Fit Me powder to just blend out all the powder on her face using a fluffy brush. And guys, she was feeling so ticklish while I was doing this. Like, she even started saying ooh ooh. It was so funny. And then I went ahead with a small blending brush to contour her nose. I don't know why the light, I think it's because I was a bit in front of the camera, that's why it looks little bit dark. But you can see how the nose popped out after I blended it. And then using the same palette that I used for her eyeshadow, the Masquerade Mini, I used that orange shade to warm her cheekbones. I use it as a bronzer to just warm her cheekbones, and you can see how popping those cheeks are. My god, like, it just made a whole difference using that orange shade. And then using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight, metallic highlight, I did go ahead and highlight her cheekbones, forehead, her bridge of the nose, and also her chin as well. And I just love how this look just turned out, guys. Like, she has such a beautiful skin, a beautiful face, like everything about her face. God, I just love it. I just kept telling her how much I love her face. And then next I took the Maybelline Super Still setting spray and set her face with it to seal all the product. Oh, and she wasn't ready for that, guys. You can see her reaction. Yeah, she wasn't ready, clearly. But I just love how look at the glow on her face. Like, that highlight just made her face glow so well. And then next I went in with the lipsticks. I'm using Joanna K for this video. I use Fearless first, and then I'm going ahead and adding on basically on the middle part of the lips to create an ombre effect. And then I just blend it out using I also went ahead and added some gloss. I was going for a glossy type of lips because I didn't want it to be matte completely, because I felt like her face was already matte because of all the powder that I used. So I thought of just making the lips a bit glossy. So I put a clear gloss first, and then I added the clear gloss is from L.A Girl or L.A Colors Cosmetics, I think. And also this pink gloss is also from L.A Colors, I think. I'm gonna list the products that I'm gonna use in the description box, so just be sure to check that out as well. So I just blended out, and this is her reaction after I revealed to her the look.
Oh my god. What? Wow. Okay.
Wow, her reaction is just everything. If you're a makeup artist and you're watching this, you know what I mean by that, when a client has such a reaction after you've done beautiful work on them. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment for me on the comment section to let me know about what you think about the look. And I'll see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do subscribe. And until the next one, I love you all. Bye.